Mulegé. The name sounds like a dusty sigh, a forgotten corner of Baja clinging to the edge of the Sea of Cortés. It's not Cabo. It's not even close. And that, my friends, is precisely what makes it beautiful. It's a place where time seems to move at a different pace. A place where the ghosts of the miners and missionaries still linger in the air. You won't find glitz or glamour here. What you will find are weathered faces, cracked sidewalks, and a quiet dignity that comes from living in a place where survival is a daily negotiation. The air smells of salt and dust. The sun beats down with a relentless intensity, and the nights are filled with the sound of the wind whispering through the palms. The river, when it flows, is the lifeblood of Mulegé, a ribbon of green winding through the arid landscape. It's where the locals gather, where kids play, where life unfolds at its own rhythm. And when the river runs dry, as it sometimes does, well, that's just Baja. You adapt, you endure. Mulegé isn't perfect. It's rough around the edges, a little bit broken, a little bit wild. But it's real. It's a place where you can still find a taste of the old Baja, before the resorts and the crowds, before everything became sanitized and packaged for mass consumption. It's a place where you can lose yourself, and maybe, just maybe, find something real in the process. It's a place I'll keep coming back to, a place that whispers stories of survival, resilience, and the quiet beauty of a world on edge.